Hello people! So today's video is going to be a summer must-haves video. So I'm just talking about like my top favourite products. Some of them are skincare, some of them are a bit different. I've obviously got some makeup as well. So these are basically just all products that I just love to use and I usually get out when it comes to summer, and they're just products that I just need in the summertime, obviously. So if you'd like to see what my summer must-haves are, then make sure you are subscribed, give the video a thumbs up too, and just keep watching. Okay, so I think I'll just start off with like body product, then skincare, then makeup. So I didn't get like tons and tons of things, I just got like my staples that I just need 100%. Also, when it came to the makeup category, I didn't get like one thing from each category because we would literally be here forever. I'll start off with some body products. The first thing is this guy right here. I feel like I've talked about this maybe in a Get Ready With Me or something, but this is the HiGlow High Intensity Hint of Tint Body Mist. It's by Rochelle Hulmes, and basically this is just like a tinted spray. It has a bit of colour to it, but what I love the most is that it's so dewy and so glowy for your body. I can't really see glitters in this when I like spray it on my body, but I basically just spray it and then just use a like stippling brush and then just blend it out. I usually do it on like my chest area, and then if I want to, like the front of my legs, just where kind of like the sun and where the light kind of naturally hits my body, that's where I usually like to apply it, like the shoulders and all that kind of stuff. Just a kind of very lightly tinted mist. It's very nice and bronzy, obviously, so it's just a really nice colour. It comes out quite red, I feel, when you just spray it, but once you've blended it in, it kind of just matches your skin, but just makes it a tiny bit more bronzy and very, very glowy. That's what I like the most about it. There's also a body cream. It comes in like a tub. I think I've showed it on my channel before, but I literally can't find it. I don't know what I've done with it, but it's more like a cream consistency. This is just like a really easy and quick, like just spray all over your body and then just blend it out. But that one is just more of a thick cream, but it's not like super thick where it's like really sticky and you can like feel it on your skin. It's very lightweight even though it looks quite thick. Out of the two, if I had to pick one, I'd probably say I prefer the spray just because I'm so lazy and it's just more convenient to just kind of whip this out and just spray it and then just blend it out. One is really nice as well. The only thing is with these, obviously they're not like a permanent like stain or anything like that. To be fair, if you like lying on the sofa or something, it's not going to transfer. I've done that before. I've had it like, especially the spray and everything, I've had it like all over my arms when I've been on the sofa. It hasn't like transferred onto clothes or anything like that, because I feel like once it dries, then it dries. But if you're like outside and then you're gonna start sweating or anything, then it's probably gonna come off a little bit. But yeah, it will wash straight off as well, so it's really easy to get off if you need to. And another body product is this guy right here. This, first of all, I just love the packaging of it. It's so cute. So this is by the brand Skinny Dip, and it's the Glowing Out Shimmer Body Mist. Obviously it smells like coconut. It's the coconut mist. They have a few different other scents, I think. It's like a nicely scented mist that's got glitter in it, so I feel like it's just, again, really good to just spray on like your chest or your arms or anything. Obviously it smells like coconut, so I feel like if you're wearing like a tank top like this or anything and you're about to go out and you don't have time to do all of this and you need like a scent, like a nice body mist or a perfume, but you want a bit of glow as well, it's all in one bottle for you. This one, however, compared to this one is glittery, so you will have like little specks of glitter. They're not chunky, they don't look horrible, they look really nice in the sun, to be fair. Like you can see it, like I'm not wearing it, I don't know why I'm doing that. You can really see it when you're under the sun. This one isn't glittery, it's just more of like a natural body glow. This one is a bit glittery, but because it's on the body and I don't like whip this out on a daily basis when I'm going to work or anything, it's just on the occasion, it's just nice to have on your body and it's nice and glittery, it looks nice. This as well though, you do really have to like give it a shake. Also, don't do what I did, which was really stupid. I was just in a rush and I already had like a jumper on and I was like, oh, I want to smell like coconuts. I sprayed this all over my jumper, forgot that it had glitter in it, and I had glitter all over my jumper. So just, you know, use your brain, don't be like me, don't do that. I think that's it for like body products. I guess I'll just do skincare next. Something that is just like everybody needs, not even just in the summertime, just in general, lip balms. So these are my two favorites because they have SPF in. I do also like the Bite Beauty Agave one. I think that does have an SPF in it as well. This one is probably my favourite. I've mentioned this before. This is the Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare Organic Aloe Vera Lip Balm. Like I said, it has a SPF of 15, and this one is obviously the aloe vera one. So it's moisturising, soothing and nourishing. If you're in the UK, I got this from Holland & Barrett. I know it sounds really weird to get a lip balm from there, but that's where I got this from, and I literally, like, I can't even roll it up. It's actually finished. I love this. I've got another one ready. My favourite lip balm, I'd say 100%. It doesn't give you like white marks inside your mouth or anything like that if you've been wearing it for a while either. Doesn't make my lips peel, which is something that I do tend to get sometimes with a lot of lip balm. This one's really good, really nice, moisturising. I use it at night as well. I don't even just use it for the SPF. I just really like it. Then the other one that I've been using for a while, this one is the Nivea Hydro Care Lip Balm. This one's a bit more affordable, and this one again has an SPF of 15. This one is so moisturising, but I think they've changed the formula. This now smells like watermelon. It never did before, it never had a scent, and it's so much more thick. I don't know if I like it. I'm probably not going to get more of these. Sometimes, I've said this before, like sometimes I like the scent of watermelon and sometimes I hate it. With this lip balm, I just don't like it, and I feel like the formula is a bit different now, so I don't know. I don't know if I like it anymore, but it was a really good one. Like the old ones that they used to do of this, they were really good, and obviously it's got an SPF of 15 in, which is really good. It is the hydrating one out of all the Nivea ones. If you really do want nice nourished lips, I can't like knock it for that. It does really hydrate your lips, and that's why I have been using it for so long, but I still feel like they've changed it and I don't like it. But then, speaking of SPF, so I have not tried that many SPFs. I think I've just probably tried about 3 or 4. That is really good that I haven't actually got because I did run out of it is the number 7 one. I'll add a picture of it here for you, but that one is really nice. It feels just like a moisturizer. It doesn't like give you a white cast or anything like that. It does not smell of sunscreen either, so that's something I really like about that one. I've tried the ordinary one, personally don't like that one. This one I'd say, however, is my favourite. This is from The Body Shop and it's the Vitamin E SPF. This one has an SPF of 30 in it. I went to The Body Shop so I could get the normal SPF. I can't remember what it looks like, but I'll try and put a picture of it here. That's the one that I wanted to get, but it was like sold out and the lady said that they weren't going to get any for a while, so she recommended this one to me. It's like vitamin E range. It's supposed to like help balance out your skin, like your skin tone and just your texture and everything. It was so right. Like this has really helped my skin. Like I've been using it under a normal moisturizer if I haven't got one that's got an SPF in it, or just under my primer, my foundation, everything. So sometimes I don't even go in with a moisturizer on top. This is just like does the trick because it's really good. Again, it's not oily, it's not sticky, doesn't give you a white cast. I love the packaging as well. I just like the pump and everything. I've actually only got one face primer, to be fair. One that I feel like I literally can't live without now since I've tried it is this one right here. This is the J1 Jelly Pack Dramatic Firming Skin. This is the, well, it says on the front that it's Dramatic Firming Skin with improved elasticity and pore smoothing. That doesn't actually make sense like when you just read it off the bottle, but anyway, that's what it's supposed to do. And it's like a gel, it's like a sticky gel consistency, which at first when I first put it on my face I was like, I do not like this. Started using it with a brush and it's fine because you can't feel the stickiness when you're blending it out with your finger. This will keep your makeup on forever. It will not budge, and I think it's because it's so sticky that's what it does. But yeah, that's literally all I have to say about this, is that if you need your makeup to stay on, try this. So as far as foundation goes, I've got 2 that I want to talk about. One is so new to me that I didn't know whether to put it in this video, but this is just like an old like cult favorite of mine for summertime. I love this in the winter as well. It's just an all-around great foundation. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. It's oil free. It says it lasts up to 14 hours. It has oil control and it's photo friendly as well. Just the foundation, the formula is so good. This is one of my favorite foundations, hands down, just ever. even though it is a matte foundation, it's not completely matte, it's not drying. I'd say it's kind of like a satin finish and just blends into your skin really, really well, and it just lasts a really, really long time, and it still looks like skin at the end of the day. And a lot of them, at the end of the day, they don't look the same as when you first apply it, but this one is one of those. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like Too Faced make really good skin products. Like, I always trust their skin products. Like, their face primers are really good. The Born This Way foundation, that is another one that will literally still look flawless on your skin at the end of the night. When I was super oily, I would wear this all the time and there'd be nothing, so it does genuinely work as well. Okay, then the other foundation I wanted to just mention quickly is the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I so recently did a first impressions on this foundation, but I have been wearing this pretty much every day since I tested it out, and I can't stop using it. It is so good. Last week I've been at work, but I've been doing really long shifts, and I've like had to travel to get to work at the moment. I needed my makeup to last and look good for the entire day, and this has seriously done it. And what made me realize that it was this foundation is the other day when I switched up, and I think I used my It Cosmetics CC cream. At the end of the day, my skin did not look the best. Like, I love that thing. The CC cream is really great, but for long days, I don't think that is the thing to use, because my face looked like I had a foundation on. And that was a CC cream as well. It's supposed to be a lot sheerer and a lot more natural. When I realised that this had been doing it for me. I mention this just in case anyone has super dry skin, because it is a very dewy foundation, but it will still literally just make your skin look amazing for the entire day. I'm gonna be quick with the next stuff. So this one I am gonna be super quick with, because I talked about this in my June favourites. This is the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder. I have the yellow one. Oh my god, I've almost run out of this. It's just the best loose powder for controlling oils, because it's so thick, but it doesn't look thick on the skin, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing powder, and it's really good in photos and everything. So this is a really good powder to have in the summer. This is something I didn't know whether I wanted to put it in this video because it's so expensive, but it is just a must-have for me. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. This is the unlocked one. This, I didn't want to talk about it for two reasons. One, because it is seriously so expensive, and the second reason is I'm pretty sure it was limited edition. To be fair, you don't need the entire palette. I'm not really talking about the bronzers or the blushes. Really, I'm just talking about these. So this palette does have bronzer and blushes in. It has a highlight as well, but I literally wanted to talk about these two shades here, which are pretty much the equivalent to one of these, so I feel like you still can get the same effect, but just get one of these. It's actually something that I've recently really been liking. But basically, when I was in New York, I was in the Sephora, and one of the assistants wanted to just put a bit of makeup on me, and I think I've like talked about this before, but he was on the Hourglass stand, and I don't think it was this palette. I actually dunked his brush in all three and was just literally doing that, and I was so scared when he was doing that. And he just dusted it literally everywhere on my face. I had full face of makeup on already. He dusted it everywhere. So I looked in the mirror and my skin just looked so good. It literally looked like I had like a filter on my face, and it just looked so good. Then I realised it was because he put all of that on my face. As disgustingly expensive as they are, they're really good. But because I know those are so expensive, this guy is also very new to me, but I did say as soon as I tried it for the first time, it reminded me of the Hourglass powders so much, and this is literally like $5. I haven't actually tested this when I've needed my makeup to last a super long time, so I do need to test it to see if it is good for like a long days, but didn't even tell you what it was, did I? This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. I got it when I was in New York, and I've loved it ever since. I'm gonna pay more attention, and I will try and double check that it is just really good to wear for long days, but the formula is very similar to the Hourglass ones. And the final product is obviously setting spray. This one is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I just sprayed that all over my desk. Good job, good job. But the reason I love this, oh, that's gone in my mouth. But the reason I love this so much is because It will set your face so well, but it won't mattify your face. It won't make you look super textured or dry. This one will just give you a bit of like a glow as well, and it will just kind of melt everything in. The All Nighter, I feel like sometimes it can overdo it a little bit, so that's why I prefer the Morphe one personally. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting a good setting spray. This isn't too pricey either, so. Okay, so that is the end of the video. These are all of my summer must-haves. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure that you're subscribed as well, and I will see you in my next video.